How you guys doing? I'm out here in Westfield where it's snowing crazy. I'm out here first. Remember, Blue Channel out here first. We're walking around here and this is 2010 Blizzard Storm Part 2. This is crazy. I can't feel my balls. I can't feel anything. I don't even know where I'm at right now. Fucking balls. So yeah, this car's behind us. The first car I've seen in years. We've been out walking forever. You can hear me. Earlier the camera fell in the tornado of the snow and things got crazy. I'm out here. It's fucking cold. It's really cold out here. You don't understand how fucking cold it's out here. It's so cold my gloves are breaking apart. So we're going to we're gonna go to 7-Eleven. That's where we're gonna meet up with the rest of the crew. It's fucking freezing. We're supposed to get some coffee, hot chocolate out there. Let's take a look around. Oh fuck, it's crazy. Oh man. Struck that. Guys, don't do this at home. You can't do this at home. It's outside. Alright.